You guys, does pap have to be eaten only in the morning or any time of the day? For me, I can have it any time of the day. Once I have moi moi, beans porridge, or even akara in my fridge, I always have one of them. So today I came back from where I went and was hungry. I brought out moi moi from my fridge. I wanted to warm one, but hubby was home and he asked me to make it too. I warm it and we had it with custard. It was so good, you guys. Moi moi and custard is a perfect match made in heaven. Now, this is me cleaning my pouch. I had washed it and allow it to dry. So basically, I'm cleaning and removing any remnant of water, making sure it's clean and dry. You guys, this my pouch is very nice because you can reuse it as many times as you want if you can maintain and clean it. So once I'm done, I will prepare dinner for my children and they will be having mince meat pasta. Now for the dinner, everybody is helping in prepping so that the cooking process will be easy and fast. To make the mince meat sauce, I will add my chopped onions and garlic in a hot oil, add parsley. Next, I will add my mince meat, seasoning cube and salt, stir and allow to cook. And to cook my pasta, in a boiling water, I will add salt, add my pasta and the diced potatoes, stir and allow it to cook. Now the meat has cooked. I'm going to add my tomato sauce, chili flakes, diced courgette, sweet corn, stir and allow it to simmer for a while. At this time, I check on the pasta and it's ready. I will sieve it and transfer to the sauce and mix. Mix and is ready. Serve and enjoy.